Hi, Craig Wallace, co-founder of My CoStrategist. You're engaging people and communicating people complex information quite often that they need to understand. And you need a way of collaborating, right? Best ideas don't happen in the workshop, they happen in the shower or when you're walking the dog afterwards, and you still need to capture that idea and bring it into the workshop. So with those things in mind, SharpCloud was the obvious solution for us because it's a data-driven platform, it provides the visualization and the collaboration. Most organizations today are struggling to get on top of complexity and managing complexity, and the ability to visualize that complexity with the way SharpCloud does it with the relationships and the data enables you to make decisions that make your solutions less complex and therefore more achievable. Managing emerging technologies for a major consultancy, I see a lot of technologies, I see a lot of solutions, but this is the only one out there like this. And I think, that's why we picked SharpCloud to continue, because it does things a lot of these other solutions just don't do. They care and they're easy to work with. And a case example, developing the AI solution, where you're talking to the CTO on a Sunday to develop the solution. I don't think any other organisation would have that passion to do that. And I think that's what makes a difference. We've set up a new business based purely on taking this solution to the market. And I think that is evidence itself of how strong we believe this way of working, this solution can change the game in consulting. And talking to our customers and seeing the reaction we get has been absolutely amazing.